Cindy with Bags and Lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching this video. Welcome or welcome back. I am so glad to see you here. So we are going to get into another video, but just in case you are new, I talk about handbags, and then I also talk about lifestyle topics, which is anything else that has nothing to do with a handbag. So any of that sounds interesting, I encourage you to click on the description down below and watch those two playlists that I have listed so you can, check out my vibe, check out a few other videos, and then decide to subscribe if you so choose. Also, if you're enjoying it, please go ahead and like my video. That would really help me out. So today's video, sorry, I gotta get adjusted here. All right. So for today's video, I'm going to be talking about, as you can see from the title, it's going to be a beauty item. Well, I guess a couple of beauty items. So I wanted to do my review of the Chanel Le Gel coat. I've had it for a couple of months, tried it out in different ways is what I'm trying to say. I tried it out different ways and wanted to report back because I heard that it was good, but let's go ahead and get into it. So first, I'm going to go cut over to the Chanel Le Gel coat unboxing, and then we will get on to the product review side of it. So take it away. In the kitchen again with the Chanel unboxing. Can you see that? Perfect. I left myself a little note. So I'll share what that is. They package the Chanel items up nicely. Very pretty. Samples. Alright, so now that you've seen the unboxing, I will definitely say Chanel knows how to package products. When I say that was very cute and unique way to package an item, but I mean, is it necessary to have a dust bag for a nail polish? No, but is it a nice touch? Absolutely. So let's get into a little bit of the specs. My phone is over here. I gotta grab it. Pulling up it on my phone because I pulled up the specs for the Le Gel coat. So I want to give a little bit of information first. So the Le Gel coat polish is $30. Okay, and basically what they're saying is that the way that they formulated this polish, it actually uses the sun rays to basically naturalize what it's saying, not sun rays, but it says activated by natural light, the innovative formula bonds to nail polish for flexibility, strength, and unprecedented wear. It does say it lasts for up to 7 days, which most, I guess, really, really well-known nail polishes, I think, say that. For example, OPI says the same thing. And I decided to try it because I went on this journey to paint my nails at home. It's just not an expense I want to pay somebody to do a manicure on my nails. So I just decided to paint my nails at home. Also, if you did not see my Christmas video where I talked about I did do an unboxing, but it was back in October, and it was of the Ciate London, which is this brand here. I keep wanting to call it a nail polish tree. I got 23 different small mini pods of nail polish in an advent calendar. So I wanted to start using them. So that's why I've been painting my nails at home. But anyway, fast forward to now. I heard about the Chanel Le Gel coat and heard that it worked really well. So I will say, I don't think this is a game changer for me. Is it glossy? I'm looking at my nails now. I mean, I guess there's a little bit of gloss with it, but I really haven't seen a significant difference. I will say, first off, the good things about it is the packaging is amazing. And Chanel knows how to present a product to you, for sure. This is what the bottle looks like. It has Chanel logo on the top, nothing on the bottom. And then you pull this off, and then this is the cap that's used, so it also has Chanel on it. I will say that the thickness is there. The gel coat is very thick, although it's not gel, right? But it's really thick and supposed to kind of act as close as it can to a gel polish. So I will say packaging there, it looks great. It doesn't last 7 days, and granted, I will say it doesn't last 7 days with other nail polishes. Now, obviously, other nail polishes, pretty much companies will formulate their products to work together. So can I say fairly that it doesn't last up to 7 days like it says? Not truly. However, the person that had mentioned that they saw that it made a difference for them, they didn't use it with a Chanel polish either, I don't believe. But I will say, definitely, if you really want to try it out, try it with a Chanel polish. I just was not spending the extra money on a Chanel polish. Like I said, that was $30, and that's pretty expensive for nail polish. Just to give you perspective here, I buy other kind of like nice branded polish too. So for example, this is Smith & Colt. If you haven't heard of this brand, I know it's kind of hard to read it, but this was like $15. Okay. So, this is $15. It's a, different type of bottle, but $30 is double that price. So it's really expensive for nail polish. So that's why I was not going down the route of getting the Chanel nail polish. And then also, like I mentioned, I wanted to use it with the nail polishes I already bought for my advent calendar. So the pros, I did mention that. The cons, I would say, is the cost. And then also, I have not seen a major difference with it. Now, like I said, probably for the third time now, I didn't use it with a Chanel polish. So to be fair, I would probably have to test it out with a Chanel polish to see how long it actually lasts. Now, I will talk about another nail polish that I did see a big difference with. And like I said, I use a Chanel gel coat on I'd use it different type of ways, different brands of polish to see if it would make a difference. But this one is the game changer. This brand is called Olive and June. First of all, this is some beautiful packaging. This is a rose gold nail polish thingamajiggery. I really like it because it almost looks like a travel perfume. Wouldn't you say that? Thumbs up if you agree. But I really like this. This is not cheap. I found it at Target in my journey to make my home manicures last a lot longer. Like literally, when I paint my nails the next day or the day after, which is max 2 days, it's peeling. And as soon as it peels, I'm taking it off my finger. So that's why I'm on this journey to try to find a good, I thought a top coat would help. But anyway, so I did see a difference as soon as I used this Olive and June. So this Olive and June this is the nail primer. This is not inexpensive. It is $10, okay? So I bought the Olive and June nail primer as well as one Olive and June polish. They market their polish to actually last 7 days or more. And I will say, granted, when people say up to, the ideal situation is you getting up to that top number of up to. So did I expect my nail polish to last 7 days? It would have been great, but I did not. But I didn't also expect me to have to take my nail polish off in 2 days. Now, as soon as it chips, I want to take it off. So I also don't know what they define as lasts, right? So I did see, like I said, a major difference with the Olive and June. I used the Olive and June nail polish with the primer. It's a very thin kind of like, so it doesn't even feel like it's a base coat. It's not even that in that kind of viscosity. It's just more, I don't know. It seems like more like it dries really fast. It's very thin, but this really worked well. I would say my polish lasts me probably a good 4 or 5 days. I did see a major difference when I used this with the Olive June nail polish. So if you have not tried Olive June, check it out. Like I said, this was $10, and then I think the polish was either $8 or $10. So you're talking about $20 for 2 things, and you get one color and one prime. So just keep that in mind. But if you have not checked out Olive June, I would say check it out. I would say take this over the Chanel Le Gel Coat if you were thinking about doing it, or try the Chanel Le Gel Coat with the Chanel polish like they intended you to do. And let me know if you have any thoughts about it, if you had heard anybody else talk about it. If you have any other questions, throw those in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I thought it'd be an interesting one to share, so I did. So thanks for your time, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.